I really enjoyed this workshop in Namibia. It's been really great. It actually met my expectations. It was I really loved being out among the tribes and be able to interact with them and see how they live, learn about their culture, their way of living, and to be able to take picture of them. And that was really, really great. So if you like taking pictures and go out with native tribes, then this is a great opportunity. I've taken a lot of pictures during this trip, but it's one that I'm especially happy about, and that is a picture of a Himba woman inside her house. Because it's a very nice light in there. It's also, you can see how it looks inside the house, and you can also see that she's really proud. Some other trips I've done, I think this is one of the top 10. This is really good. And the organization is really nice. It's a nice, you travel nice and slowly. It also means that you can stop when you find something interesting, and you're not just passed by. So it's really made for photography. If I only had 3 words to describe this workshop, I would say it is professional organized, it's an amazing experience, and it's great fun.